my channel for another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sadie. Make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that bell notification so that you do not miss an upload. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this nice fall look. Yes, y'all, coming through the storm shortcut straight out of South while I'm on the chair. I got my hair pulled back just so you guys can see how I like the look that I'm going for. So yeah, this was actually all drugstore products. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you guys are following me on social media, on Instagram at SadesMilan and on Snapchat at MissSades. For all business inquiries, my email is in the description box. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so right here, as you guys can see, I'm putting on my CarMax moisturizing my lips because y'all know when you're doing makeup, it seems like for some reason your lips just get super dry. And then now I'm going to be going right in with my Wet n Wild primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with this. This is perfect if you like a glowy look, like a fresh, dewy type of look. This primer is perfect and it's very inexpensive. It's a drugstore product. I believe it's going for about $7.99 or $8.99 at Walgreens and Target. So yeah, that's a good primer. When I tell y'all this Revlon makeup is like one of the best drugstore products I've used in a long time. Like the coverage is so full, and if you want to go for like that natural look, you can use a little bit. I'm learning to start off with a little bit of foundation and then add on as I go instead of just pouring out so much foundation. So definitely when you're going for that natural look, add a little bit, and then as you go, if you need more coverage, you can add more along the way. Just a quick tip. Okay, so y'all already know what would a drugstore makeup tutorial be without LA Girls Pro Concealer. LA Girls Pro Concealer is just like legendary. This is the holy grail. I use this with whatever foundation I'm using just because this product is just that good, and you know it's good because now they've even went up on the price. And I believe when I first started seeing these in the stores, it was going for about $1.99, and now they're like $3 or $4 a piece, which is still not bad for a concealer that good. And I am using Fawn and I'm using Chestnut. Remember guys, make sure that you take a look at the description box because I'm going to have all of this information in the description box. So I don't know if I mentioned it because I don't think I showed you guys the product, but I am actually using Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm actually going to leave a link in the description box because I didn't show you guys how it looks, but it's also available at Target or Walgreens. And y'all, if you guys are interested in drugstore products, definitely sign up for the coupons at Walgreens and CVS because they always have different coupons for like Revlon and Maybelline products. So that's just a quick tip if you guys are interested. So guys, I am trying a new technique. I'm trying to do things a bit different doing my makeup moving forward. I'm trying to get that natural polish type of look, and you know, I've been watching a lot of videos. I've actually even recently taken a class on how to do this natural type of makeup. So you guys, as you guys can see, I am doing my eyeshadow, and then I'm actually going to do my brows last. So my makeup routine is changing and it's different, and I actually like it. And it's actually pretty quicker. I'm doing my makeup now these days in like 20-30 minutes. So yeah, I think that's about it of me talking your ears off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions about this video, leave a comment in the comment box. Let me know if there's any other fall looks that you guys may want to see. I'm definitely going to try to give you guys a lot of tutorials, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and hauls. So yeah, be sure to leave a comment. And let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you guys think about the doing the eyeshadow and the eyebrows last. Is it a yes or no for you? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.